Today we talk about how can you select start of work on your app, on your Score Planner app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign here, click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. You can show this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on timetable and calendar, just click on it. Then you go down, just keep going down, come here to start of work, you just click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. And here can you select if you want to add automatic or Monday or Sunday here. When you just select it here, you click on this, then you click on select, and it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.